What's up, YouTubies? Big Eddie. This is a addict update. Small one. We got a lot more kits than what I'm showing, but I just didn't want this to be too long of a video. So let's get this party started. Whoop, whoop. Alright, got this little cargo truck by Ming. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger kit, but it is what it is. I got a couple of these for the old attic. Alright, what else we got here? Thank you, Neiman Chambers. I got this Stacy David steel sealed. Always wanted one. I got a couple that have been opened, but this is sealed. Awesome. This is going to go into the old attic along with the other ones, which are right there. Two of them right there. Well, there's a third one, but they're all open. And this one is sealed. Alright, thank you very much, Neiman Chambers. I got the Land Rover. Thought I would, I seen those built, I can't remember if HBI guy built one of these or not, but I seen it was built, looked pretty cool kit, so I had to pick one up. Round two. Got the old Star Trek Galileo shuttlecraft. Just came today in the mail. Cool kit. I was on the sales shack late at night. I gotta quit doing that. I got the contact here. It wasn't for that price, but it was pretty close. Also from the sales shack, I got this also. The old Porsche 959. Pretty cool looking kit inside. It's a Tamiya tomato. Alright, I got this from Academy. I can't even pronounce it. Got you a Haman too? The new God Phoenix. Look pretty cool. I don't know if that's an anime show or not, but I sure did like the way that ship looks, so that's how I make some of my purchases. Alright, also got the Mercedes. Can't wait to start this. This will probably be a winter job for me. I get a little bit more time on my hands. Got the 04 GT4. Gotta have them. Got two of these. Got two of these GT4s. It's the way we roll here in the attic. And the big boy. Finally, the International. People, this is a huge box. Look how big that box is to my hand. 425 pieces. We'll just do a quick box around here. Couldn't wait for this to come out. Round two finally got them in. So I picked one up. I think it's going to be a rather cool kit. Just, I keep all my kits in cellophane until I build them. The only ones that I don't have in cellophane are the ones that I open, or, you know, open to build or buy open. Oh, another thing too, I was at the, got the P38 Lightning too. Alright, guys and gals, I got a bag of stuff there, but those are just, you know, the old, well, let's go down this line. It's at a yard sale. I got these two items here. The clear display trailer. Good deal, man. $5 for both of them. Awesome. It's a little dark over here, but these are just some new add-ons too that I got. So I'm behind on my attic updates. There's some duplicates here, but yeah, that's the way we roll here. Got the mongoose and the snake. I didn't even know those were out. Those are pretty cool. Hey, let me show you one other thing while we're doing this. Did anybody know I was in Michael's today? I finally got my 50% coupon, and look at the new Peterbilt 359. I didn't know that they it's the same old like snap together glue together kit, but I thought the box was cool. It's called a Historical Series. So, nice box art, so I had to pick one up, 50% off. Alright guys, this here is Big Eddie, and this is my attic update. Long overdue, and everyone out there, I hope is having a splendid day, splendid week, and we'll be back with more updates. Alright, Big Eddie, peace, and build them model kits.